guys, welcome back to a fun new video for Spooktober. We're here at my favorite time of year and I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious little drinks just for you guys. They're mostly iced based, but I thought this would be very fun. Something, you know, we could all do with is a nice cold drink. Although you can do these warm as well. I'm going to be doing some cold drinks for you today to spice it up. We have a lot of stuff in here, in this little crate here, and we're going to start off making some iced coffees that are in the theme of Halloween. There's a lot to get through. So we have the pumpkin trio, which we'll be using, and we have the pistachio latte. Pumpkin trio is these little syrups to spice up your drinking experience. We've got pumpkin caramel, pumpkin cheesecake, pumpkin spice. We've got a variety of different cold brews, latte mixes, frappuccinos that I bought that we can just add all these into because we want to make our boring regular coffee more of a spooky sensation this holiday. Different utensils you may need for this. A frother. These frothers are essential to making these drinks. A cheese grater or a grater of some kind with bigger holes so we can get some curls of chocolate on top of our goodness that is making our drinks. Getting a shot glass of some kind or like a sherry glass like I have here. You can measure about halfway for the pumps that we're going to be adding in. Collection of different drizzles. This is licorice flavor, blackjack. It's very goopy. A raspberry one as well. So this can be like blood, and then this one can just go into like a graveyard type mix. It's a drinks video. It's not really rocket science. It's about experimenting with things you like. We're going to start off making a pumpkin cold brew style. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in a shot of this. Ooh, that smells spicy. Put about this much in. Maybe just a little bit more. There you go. I really like making these drinks because it's fun, it's something different, and you can just have a real good time with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some caramel drizzle in here. Now you're probably thinking, Mike, why did you not just put the caramel drizzle in first? What that's going to do is it's going to absorb the pumpkin spice of it all. You get your frother. Caramel ring around, quite nice. It's got like a little drip going down, very spooky. What we're going to do is we're going to add in our cold brew. I have to shake it a bit first, actually. And you frotted that up. Look at that already. Ooh, already. Put in our ice afterwards. Ice cubes in there. And then we top up the rest with our latte. And this is your pumpkin spice caramel drizzled dream. Alright guys, that's the first one. Let's do a taste test and see what we think of it. Oh my god. Yeah, that is so... This is so decadent, is the one. That is so good. Definitely try and make this if you can. I just have to point out, I love these cups. You can get these at TJ Maxx, not sponsored, but if you want to get some fun Halloween cups, TJ Maxx got you covered with these little bad boys. Okay, for our next concoction, I call the graveyard frappe, is going to start with, I had a genius idea and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So you're going to get your whipped cream, right? You're going to put it in a container like this. Right then, so you can get the liquid to stick. You're going to drizzle it in. You're going to dip it down like this. Put it in. Make a licorice whipped cream. Like so. And it sticks. That one cherry glass of 2 pumps of pumpkin cheesecake. Then we're going to start adding the cookies and cream. Now the whipped cream might just start to dissipate on the sides, but like the more you put in, the more it's going to. And then we're going to add in our ice. Keep it chill. Dash of the drizzle. That's and then you get your whipped cream. Presentation wise, probably could be better. You know, put some sprinkles on the top. And then your 2 little claws to go in on the top like that. And then all you need is a straw. Okay guys, so this has kind of gone down a little bit since I was taking pictures, but it looks so good. I know I probably need to work on maybe the spray, but you know, bottoms up. Okay, I've done it again. This is amazing. Guys, this is literally so good. So that is my graveyard frappe. I think it's so fun. It's pumpkin cheesecake, cookies and cream. You've got like a licorice bit in there that you can taste the licorice a hint of. Licorice and the cream just go so well together. Definitely try that, guys. 10 out of 10 for that one. Okay, for this one, we're going to do a pistachio delight drink, and what you're going to need for this is pistachio. Of course, you're going to need it. We're going to start this off as we're obviously going to do our, you know, shot glass full of pistachio. I'm actually surprised every drink so far I've made I've actually liked, so let's go. I'm going to do about that much. We're going to put in a new layer of whipped cream. Squirt all that right on the top. Dip in. One like that. A little ring around it. Like that. Let's spray this. There you have it. Look at that. How cute is that? And what we're going to do is arrow. Eight of it. It's going to get real messy, but you want that green to come through because it's pistachio. Okay guys, are we ready for the taste test of this one? I like some of this. That cream. Wait, what? No. No, this is too good. Okay. Right, okay. This tastes delicious, let me tell you. My one critique about this one, that's like a dessert. Pro tip, add more of the raspberry sauce. For our last drink, we're going to be incorporating the pumpkin caramel and we're going to make it extra decadent. First off, we're going to do our caramel little drizzle. That lid always gets stuck, so we're going to do about that much. There you go. That is your glass rimmed. We're going to get our whipped cream. We're going to do a whole new layer with these thicker flakes. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix that in. That will stick to the sides of the glass. On the inside layer. Looks gorgeous. I love that. Now we're going to put in our syrup. That should be 2 shots. So this will go on top of that caramel at the bottom. Add in our mocha. I need 2 of these. Okay, so now you got your mix like this. 2 ice cubes, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just finish it off. Presentation looks real good. And we're going to drizzle some caramel on the top. Go in with some white. And some brown. Fortunately, I'm sorry guys, the whipped cream is melting really fast because it's now at room temperature. Straw in it, and then what I would do is go to the side that you see like it's fallen the most and put your straw in. Okay guys, ooh, taste test time while this slips and slides off the glass. Okay, yeah, I'm excited to taste this. This looks really good, okay. Ooh. Oh my god, that's really decadent. Oh my god, that pumpkin caramel though. I actually love all these drinks. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun little video series of making these amazing drinks featuring these different syrups because I was inspired to make a drink for each of them. So of course, we started off with the pumpkin spice, which I really liked. If I had to judge it, that was a good number 4. I want to say number 4. Following it with the pistachio latte, number 3. Number 2, pumpkin caramel was so good. The winner, I have to say, was my pumpkin cheesecake one that I made. Those were so good. Now, if you liked this, please Let me know if you would like me to do more of these type of drink, like coffee situations where I make up a whip of different coffee blended drinks. From this barista collection, it's something I really want to do, is learn how to make more coffee drinks and stuff. If you want to support that, make sure to drop a big old like, subscribe for more content, and fun little things like this during the spooky months. But that's it, guys. Hope you're enjoying Spooktober, and I will see you next time for another fun, spooky October Halloween video coming your way. I love you guys so much, and until next time, keep drinking. Responsibly, that is.